Let's draw on some grip tape. Okay, in my last drawing video, I tried to draw something super small, and now I'm back to wanting to draw something really big. So I have my set of Posca paint markers. They're water-based markers that are advertised as like paint on anything, paper, walls, glass, like everything. So these are gonna be perfect for a giant grip tape drawing. Okay, so I have my brand new sketchbook here. First page, you can see I've done a few like t-shirt concepts, figuring out how to draw Spider-Man, but also have this little sketch of a dragon. I think I want to draw a gargantuan red dragon with fire and smoke and all kinds of craziness and just fill up this entire sheet of grip tape. So first things first, I'm going to use the white marker to sketch out my dragon on the grip tape. Alright, so I'm sketching this thing out with a white marker, and I don't know for sure because I've never used Posca markers on grip tape before, so I'm hoping that the white isn't going to show through like crazy. Maybe we're going to have to do some layers. I definitely got like pretty sketchy on the face of the dragon, so I'm probably going to have to really fix that up. The other thing is it's pretty hard to sketch on the grip tape because the marker, you know, it's basically sandpaper, so the marker catches on it a lot. Usually I'm used to being able to like do big sweeping lines, and you know, like for the dragon's neck I want to like do a big loop, and the tail want to be able to spin the marker around and everything, but it's kind of hard to do that on the grip tape. But I'm really happy with this layout. I think it's gonna look cool with all the color. You know, it's gonna be a big red dragon. There's gonna be lots of fire and stuff. Alright, the sketch is done. Now I think it's time to block in solid colors. This is the part that's gonna take a long time because I'm basically gonna be coloring in this giant 30-something inch sheet of paper. So hopefully the grip tape doesn't destroy my markers before they run out, but we'll see. Let's get to coloring. So with these Posca markers, you gotta shake them to get the consistency of the paint looking good. But instead of shaking them one at a time, I used my brain meat and came up with an idea. Put them back in the box. Okay, so there's a couple things I'm learning about Posca markers and grip tape and this whole process. So first things first, I really wish I had some different sizes so this coloring in these large areas could be a little bit quicker. Right now I'm using the fine size. I think if I went up a size or two with the Posca markers, it would help a lot. So far, the tips of the markers are holding up way better than like the cheap art store paint markers. The price of the Posca markers is obviously more expensive, but the quality shows. The colors are brighter, the tips are lasting longer. So yeah, just 2 colors laid in so far. Still a long way to go. So time-lapse time. Okay, so we've run into a little bit of a problem. My red color is super crazy worn down. So before it gets any further, I've heard that you can yank out the tip, flip it over and put it back in, and it'll be okay. There's still a lot of dragon left, and my red's running out. My main color is running out, so I'm just gonna... Oh yeah. You can really yoink it. Okay, so now we have a brand new tip to the Posca. All right, let's keep coloring. So the tip of the red Posca pen marker is completely worn down. There's just a little sliver left. So I think what I'm gonna do is sacrifice the pink pen. I don't think I'm gonna be using any pink on this red dragon. I'm gonna yoink out the pink tip, put it in the red marker. Hopefully the inside paint will soak through the pink tip and I'll have another marker's worth, I guess, to finish off the red of this dragon. Fingers crossed. Break. Honey crisp. Okay, so, wow. Almost 3 hours, like 3 hours later, and I finally have all of the flat color on the Griptape. I think right now it looks really crappy because you can see all the differences between where the pen starts fading out and everything. But now I'm gonna go back over the whole thing with the black marker and kind of do the line art, and hopefully that'll contain everything and separate the colors, make everything pop, and this dragon will look cool in the end, I hope. This is crazy. Yeah, so black pen, line art time. Let's see what happens. All right, we are done. Huge learning experience on this. I had so much fun with the Posca markers on the Griptape. I'm gonna need to order some more markers because I completely destroyed these. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this Griptape. I love the illustration, but it's probably not something I want to look down on my board while I'm skating. Maybe I'll give it away, maybe I'll hang it up. Not sure yet. If you would like to see more Griptape artwork on this channel, please comment and let me know. It's kind of a fun distraction. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.